Our environment is our playing field. We fill it out, move others, move it. It gives us the freedom to develop ourselves, to shape it in line with our ideals. It adapts to us as we adapt to it. The hydraulic excavators of the Liebherr Compact series are your ideal partners on construction sites with restricted mobility. They use intuitive technologies for productive and intuitive work. They are excavators which get you on the way and drive you forward. Machines equipped with the same flexibility and diverse dynamics which are also required by yourself on a daily basis. Machines which support your individual actions and operations and do not neglect the small details either. The Liebherr Compact excavators overcome the extreme conditions on construction sites. They combine power and sensitivity. They give you the overview that is important to retain in restrictive environments and make the tough life on the construction site more pleasant for you. They simplify operations and provide safety through reliable technology. Because in a team, everybody supports each other. Reliably and quickly, the compact excavators take you to wherever you are both needed and firmly position themselves wherever they are required to. Therefore, simple maintenance and low consumption, together with an overwhelming performance, are your key to efficient cooperation in an environment that demands everything of you and your machine. Our environment is what we make of it. It drives us to advance our development by showing us its possibilities, our possibilities, which we have to recognize and take advantage of. Because these possibilities define us. We are our environment.